How to fix Valorant error code VAL51. 1. Check the current status of Riot game servers. 2. Update Valorant to its latest version. 3. Clear the logs and webcake at %local app data %\Valorant\save. Then restart the VGC service. 4. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 5. Switch to Google DNS and disable IPv6. 6. Allow Valorant through your firewall. 7. Uninstall then reinstall Valorant.